风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey there, welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Paul。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。最近看学生回到学校，背书包都看起来很重
哦，很多课本哦。
对，应该是，所以今天来教这个形容词好了。
好啊，
很重。
OK， 重点点诶。
重点点诶。OK， 就是很沉重。
对，
对不对啊 ？I get it. OK， 好，那我们就教这一句好了。这书包放了多少课本啊？怎么会这么重啊 ？How many books do you have in this bag? It feels so heavy.
亚扎书包，
亚扎书包
都带不用几多课本，
都带不用几多课本。
用为按重点点诶。
用不会按重点点诶。That means the bag is very heavy. Why is it so heavy? 那课本叫做课本哦。
对，课本。
That's textbooks. And then inside your 书包叫做
书包。
书包 OK, that's like a student's bag. 你刚刚讲
吃太饱了，整个身体感觉沉甸甸的。
你在描述我几乎每天晚上会感觉的一个状况哦。I've had so much food, my whole body feels kind of heavy, or I'm full, right? How do you say that?
食量饱嘞，
食量饱嘞，
浑身感覺到重點點诶。
浑身感覺到重點點诶。Oh, that means 全身感覺很重啊。All right, let's review some of these terms, including a book bag, 書包，
書包，
書包 and then textbooks, 也就是課本，
課本，
課本 and finally, being very heavy.
重點點诶。
重點點诶 that's 就是很重的意思啦。There you have it, learning more about Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.